Hey there, my friends. Hey there, my friends. There are two crucial things you need to know about this step stool before you spend your money on it. I'm going to talk about those two things in just a second, but first, let's go over some of the features and what it's like to actually use this, including the most common questions on Amazon about this step stool around height and weight capacity. So let's get into it. Obviously, this is a 3-step folding step stool, and it is incredibly handy to have around the house. There are a couple of features that I think are unique about this stool that I just wanted to show you. So first of all, these steps right here are metal. So I've had other step stools where all of these steps were made out of plastic. That does a couple of things. One is it's not as stable, it's not as sturdy, it can't handle as much weight. Wear on it is going to wear a little bit more, so it's not gonna last as long. And 3, they tend to be a little bit more slippery. All of these steps are completely made out of metal, and then they have this plastic high friction track pad on top of them. So stability is awesome, and traction without slipping is fantastic. Now, the overall height of this step stool is about 40 inches, whereas the top step is about 36 inches, 34 to 36 inches for the top step. There's also a maximum weight on this stool of 330 pounds. A couple other small details that I love about this stool. One, it's got a really soft foam grip right here. You can grip onto it really nicely, but it's also good on the hands. It's not too heavy of a stool, especially being fully made of metal. And then you also have really nice protective rubber feet right here. Of course, when you're using this, you want to think about the surfaces that you're putting on, tile, hardwood, and that you don't want it to damage. Now, another thing that I think about when I look at these stools is a lot of times they do have rubber feet or protective feet on them, but they're not screwed to the stool, so they'll slip off. You may lose a protective foot and not notice it, and then your stool is imbalanced. There's a little, that feeling. And 2, it can damage the floors if you're not paying attention. These feet are completely fastened to the stool, so they should wear really well and they shouldn't go anywhere. Now, the folding mechanism also is nice because it creates some additional stability. There's a couple unique things about the folding mechanism. So when I fold this out, look at this full runner that I see right here, you see right here, and the supporting runner right here. A lot of times the steps are just fastened to just these main runners, and you don't have this assisted runner, so that adds to stability. Let's talk about the locking mechanism here as well. You have this little metal piece right here that dangles, and the weight, gravity itself keeps that weight in the right place, so that when you do open this up, it automatically clips onto this bar right here. It doesn't clip onto, but it goes underneath. So if you were to try to fold this stool up right now, it wouldn't. It hits that metal piece right there because the gravity automatically has it dangling down, goes over this bar, and that's what prevents it from closing up on you. When you are ready to fold it up, it's super easy. You just need to make sure that that little piece of metal is out of the way, and then you can push the stair up and fold it up. Just like that. It's thin, it stores away really nice, it's heavy duty, can take a lot of weight, it's got a great reach to it, it's not too heavy to lug around the house. We've absolutely loved having this stool available around the house. I hope this video has been helpful in deciding whether or not this is the right stool for you. Thank you so much for watching. Peace, everybody.